y'all, happy Saturday. So let me just tell y'all something. Maintaining these boho braids is a job in itself, okay? These are my first time getting these type of braids. I usually just get regular box braids or individuals. Never got the boho. Never got the boho or anything like that. So I decided to get them. And I came on here and I looked to see what type of hair to get. It was like 3 different hairs that everybody was talking about, like the Milky Way, the Janet collection, and this. Alright, so I got this. Bought 2 packs of it, and I only ended up using a half of the other pack. Didn't even use the rest of it. Didn't like the hair when it first came out the pack. I did not know. I did not pay attention to the pack that it says Master Mix. I don't know. It works for some people. It's not like horrible, but I should have just followed my first mind, ordered some bundles from Amazon, or just went with a different brand because the boho ain't boho. So I'm just here to tell y'all, like, if you're not willing to do this every day, do not get these braids. It's a lot of maintenance. I'm thinking about replacing this here. I ordered some other bundles. I ordered another bundle and it may come today, it may not. So I'm thinking about just cutting the old hair out and putting some new hair in. I'm gonna test it and see. I know you can do that with a crochet needle, so I'm gonna get a crochet needle today. Yeah, but if you're not willing to literally put mousse, oil, some type of leave-in conditioner, whatever, don't get these braids. You gotta do this every day. Every day. I'm used to just tying my braids down and, you know, putting mousse on maybe every other day or 2-3 times a week. Not every day. You gotta do this every day with this here. And I don't even have a whole lot of time right now to kind of like get in there like I should. But this gonna have to do for right now. I also use this leave-in conditioner and I just spray it. Cause I only got a couple pieces in here. But spraying it, trying to maintain it. And I haven't even had this in for a week, so it's like the braids itself, of course, they still look good, but this curly hair is getting on my nerves. Even the ends of my hair is acting up. I don't know what's going on. So I'm gonna have to put some flexi rods on these and re-dip my hair. That's what I'm gonna have to do. This is crazy. Y'all ain't told me this boho hair don't be bohoing after a while. Like, I don't. But I've been seeing on here that a lot of people experience the same thing. They even experience tangling with the human hair. So I think it's just, you know, something that you gotta get used to. I'm just doing a quick little maintenance right now. And if that bundle here come, I'm gonna come back on here and I'm gonna do I'm gonna cut this old hair out and replace it. I gotta test one because I ain't never crocheted no hair in before. So I'm gonna do a test piece to see how it come out. But yeah, if you're not willing to spend some time on your braids every day, don't get no boho braids, because this is a job in itself.